Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do some Kurdish reaction. So I am reading some of your comments, and one that came out like the top was for me to react to Kurdish dance. I kind of know a little bit of the Kurdish dance because I have watched some videos where they perform music and they do this little dance, which is like very entertaining and very fun to do. And yeah, with all my respect, I'm gonna watch this video and let me see what's the tea. Okay, so this is Kurdish. Let's go. Oh, okay. This old man right here, he's like this, he's going like this. Okay. Oh. So like the only thing I don't understand is like only men can dance, can female dance too, or it's just guys? I don't get it, because everybody's just guys. He's having fun. He's like he sings good. I don't know who that man is, but okay. Homo. It sounds easy. If you want me to dance this song, let me know. Thumbs up this video. If we get to 1K, then I dance your music. Please don't. I don't want to dance. I do not want to embarrass myself. Okay, okay. Homo, homo. It's catchy. Like it makes me want to move. Like, don't get me wrong. Maybe it's a wedding. I don't know. Okay. Hey, I just wanna like, you know. Ooh, okay. Hey, okay. It's like a technique, like they go down, they go up. Yes. Oh, okay. Everybody's having fun. Yes. This old man right here, he's having the best time of his life. Everyone. I don't know what they're celebrating, but like, yes. Mr. Halogen, okay. I don't know, what's the name of this dance? Because I don't know. Oh, okay, I see you. Oh, okay. Okay. I don't get this one. The other one was more active. This one is just like this. Girl, I will be like this. You know me. You already know me, honey. Okay, maybe it gets better. Oh, I will do some belly dance right there. You know what I mean? Okay, there's a lot of Kurdish people in America too. Okay. Okay, let me see this. What's this? Okay, yes. You see, all of them are having fun. This lady's like, okay. I mean, at least you guys know how to have fun. That's exciting. I like this. Okay, this is what I like. Hey. Oh, I have one of these. Okay. Yes. Okay, I am down. Like, if you invite me to this dance, I will dance. Okay? I will put my own twist, but I will dance. Sha-la-la-la-li-li-ha. Yes, this is very interesting. Well, there you go, everyone. That video was actually really interesting because the dancing is not that hard, and I feel like I'm a dancer, so I feel like I can do it if I just like practice a few, but like it's not that hard, and I like it because you gotta move your hips. Like, I'm down, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. You're welcome to comment down below what other Kurdish reaction you guys want me to see. I'm here to know more about your culture, so let me know what's the tea, okay? More Kurdish videos on the screen. Get your life. Bye.